Hello everyone, this is Hassan from HTFX and welcome to another video. Now, today I want to talk about Dow Jones Industrial Average Index, okay, which is Dow Jones, or you can I think call it US30 in some platforms, okay. And this is when I'm trying to find new things to say, I usually try to go back and what did I said before and try to update the ideas that I had before. And this is one of them. Now, in this should be here. This I just got it from. It was already saved in my platform, and this is what we said last time. The market at that time was around here. We were making this triangle, and I wrote it for you guys that if the triangle is confirmed, then we should make a new high compared to the wave A, which is this one. This here it is. This wave A, what we are talking about here. So we should make a new high according to this. Now, let me explain to you why I was thinking and what happened and what should be expect next. Now, whenever you have a move like this as a wave A, okay, and you have a wave B, okay, that is coming less than 618% of wave B. Okay, so what you should do is you should go to fib retracement from start to the end, and you should check the 618. Whenever you have a B wave that is less than 618, okay, and this wave A does look like an impulsive move, you should ask yourself a couple of questions. Well, actually, you don't even have to. If you have a wave A that goes and the B wave comes less than 618, it means that you're dealing with a zigzag. Okay. If you're dealing with a zigzag corrective wave, this zigzag, by the way, is a corrective wave, that it does look like this for you guys that who don't know. It looks something like this. So whenever you have this, something like this, and you're not on the C wave yet, but on the B wave, well, there are some rules about it. Number one of the rules being that wave A and wave C has to be impulsive. So what I mean is on 1 degree lower. So in our case, let's make it in red, our 1 degree lower. So it should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, okay? And for this B wave, ABC, by which I mean it's a corrective wave, and the C wave again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So whenever I said this wave A, it means that I'm thinking that what we have here in this rectangle is an impulsive move, okay? But on this, actually here we used this color, so this should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. Cool. And on the B wave, even though it is A, B, C, D, E, which is a triangle, but the triangles, even though there are 5 waves, A, B, C, D, E, they are considered corrective wave. Thus, every single corrective wave is just said ABC in short, okay? So ABC is, whenever I say I write ABC, I can mean a flat, I can mean a zigzag, I can mean a triangle, it can mean a complex correction, okay? But they are corrective waves. And triangle is a corrective wave. And this triangle is a corrective wave that can actually appear in the B wave. By the way, maybe this can be something more complex. It can be something like ABCX than a triangle. It can happen too. That I don't care about it so much because it doesn't change the outcome for us, what kind of triangle it is. However, this type of a triangle, when you see it, what you should usually think for after this, as the rule suggests, in the zigzag, the C wave has to make a new high because this is a bullish zigzag. The C wave comes here, has to come here and break this and makes a new high. Okay, that's the important part, and that was the idea coming from. And of course, the market did do that. Now, what it did happen, what it's supposed to happen, it did happen, which is good. So if I would have I I did trade this, it would have been a successful trade. However, the C wave of zigzag doesn't always have to be impulsive, classical impulsive. So it is still 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but you can have a terminal move, or you can call this a ending diagonal. So if you have a C wave as an ending diagonal, then the time perspective of the zigzag in normally you should have a zigzag that has the wave A here and the wave C here in similar time. Okay, so it should not end here, it should end somewhere like this. Okay, but sometimes if the C wave, the wave A cannot be a terminal move, but the C wave can. So if the C wave is a terminal move, then we cannot predict time. Now in that case, the time goes, we don't count it. What we do is we are expecting if this analysis is still correct. What the market should do is market should try to give us an ending diagonal or terminal. So in that case, let's try to build one. Maybe this is something that may look like this. Look, in here, we do not know if this is somewhere the third wave or we will have a higher third wave. But let's just to be safe, let's go like this, 3, 4, 5. So what I'm actually trying to look for, what I'm actually trying to imagine is something like this. So if it's the third wave, okay, I want something like this. So let's imagine this is the end of the third wave. So what I want to see is something like this. Okay, so the fourth wave, and then the fifth wave to come, and then to market to break this and come back all the way to here. Well, here first and then here, obviously, to where it started. Or the market can actually, this may be, for example, you may say to yourself, look at this, what happened here. So you may think, okay, we have this and we have this small, like some type of a flag type of a move, okay, here, and then we will have another measured move up, okay. So you may see something like this too. In that case, what happens is I will be looking for something like this, for example, but then I would expect this these lines to be not parallel. Okay, so if this is the third wave, I would like to see the fourth wave come to somewhere around actually here. Now why? Well, uh, in the terminal move, you should see the fourth wave overlapping, by which I mean this it should come, the fourth wave should come to the territory of the second wave, which is where the fourth wave ends. Okay, so this is important. So this is the maximum angle that actually can happen for the down path. So, and look, if you look at like this, it's not so much a ending diagonal move. So I would like to see something like this. I would of course like to see, I would be happier if I see something like this. However, this angle should not go, it should still, they should still converge, okay, if I would like to trade this. Okay, so if I see a move something like this, third wave and then a fourth wave and then a fifth wave, and it's like convincingly looks like a wedge, then I would try to sell it on the break of this, but it's still so early. So this is how you should treat. This is how you should update your ideas. Okay. And thank you so much, guys, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask me. And please don't take these any ideas as financial advice. They're not there just to educate you. I don't trade most of the ideas that I'm doing here because I personally trade only FX. But I do all of this. These are just examples for you guys so that you can learn and apply these ideas, these theories on yourself to become a successful trader. What I do is just try to educate people. If you want to take education from me, you can contact me. Thank you so much and take care, guys. Bye bye.